Hi, Yolanda, see me. Mm-hmm. Really? Wow. Mm. How do you remember Dada? Oh, because of Dada. Dada. And what does Dada means? Hi, I'm fine. Let's go again. Bawani. Oh, okay. Bawani. Dada. Wow. Hey, can you see the magic word of Dada help to Dada? And when he came in, you were like, good afternoon. Oh, you remember the period of the day? Okay, let's go. Morning. Afternoon. Oh, so, okay. I will not email. Mm, 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 ah, ah, mm, mm, mm. Oh, Benny. Rara, could share. Now we want to put that in greeting. And what is morning called in Yoruba? Oh, could share. Aro. Aro. Now, I will greet elders in Yoruba. Somebody older than you say, ek, ek, ek. Aro, morning, you hold it here. And this is ek. They will blend together. So ek will come and meet aro. Eka. Exactly. Like we're blending our sounds together. Bag, bag. We're not doing English blending here. We're doing Yoruba blending now. So you're blending ek. And morning is aro. So we're going to hold it tight. Do not let it go. Oh yeah. Demo that, majolo. Then we have ek. Let's ram into it. This is ek. Ekaro. Let's go. Let's go. Ekaro. They become one. That becomes ekaro. Good morning. Ekaro. Good morning. Exactly. That's the same with also. Now, can you try to blend? What is afternoon? So. Now let's blend. Ek. No, ekuson. No, ekuson. Let's go again. No, ekuson. Ekason.